Welcome to a day with Sip Kentucky Tours, where Kentucky's finest bourbon, food, and hospitality meet you at every stop. We handle the details, you just relax and take in the sights. Whether you're here for a birthday, a corporate outing, or just bourbon curiosity, your perfect day starts here. See bourbon come to life from bubbling mash to bottling. Small batch, hands-on, and authentically Kentucky. Next, step into history, exploring iconic rickhouses where Kentucky bourbon legends were born. We pair your bourbon with the best of Kentucky's food scene, taking you to the restaurants us locals love to eat at. Every moment is curated, every detail taken care of, every pour a memory. Our guides aren't just drivers, they're bourbon storytellers, hosts, and friends. From beginning to end, comfort, quality, and Kentucky's finest. This is more than a tour. This is the Sip Kentucky Tour.